I have here the Amazon Alexa Echo Plus. I'm going to go ahead and show you around the box. Here's the front of the box. Here's around the side. It says some of the skills that it includes. The back just gives you some directions. Here on the other side it tells you what it includes. You have Alexa, Zigbee, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. And then here's the front, the top and bottom, just serial numbers and such. So I'm going to go ahead and we can start by just pulling this little tab here to open it up. After we pull this other tab, and then that slides up on off. And if you go ahead and lay it down, you can pull one more tab, and then you should be able to lift up on the flap, and then there is the Echo. Inside here is the Echo Plus, right here, and we have, looks like some information. It's in this, that's kind of stuck in there, and then I'm guessing in here is the power cord. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box, and yes, that is the power cord here to plug in the Echo. Inside of here it was just a little, looks like a quick start guide, and then what you can do with her. So we're going to move this off all to the side really fast, and now we can look at the Echo Plus. I'm going to take off the plastic. So here it is, the Echo Plus. It has a nice rubbery bottom. This top part spins here. On the top there's just a mute button and a press to wake button. It's in this nice, like, sort of matte but rubbery feeling, and the bottom is a very rubber feeling. On the back here there's the power cord, and then that's the audio out. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and we can set it up. So I'm going to take this little rubber band off the cord, and of course the plastic off of the cord as well. There we go. On the brick here it says Amazon. And then we're just going to plug it into the plug, and then the other end here just plugs right into the back. And she's booting up.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Plus is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So I'm going to go ahead and get my phone, and we can start. So here in my Alexa app, we're just going to go ahead and go to the little settings down here, and then we're going to set up a new device. This is the Echo Plus. English, yes, yes. The orange light is going around. So we are going to go ahead and connect it to my phone's Wi-Fi. Amazon, let that connect.
You've connected to Echo Plus. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Okay. Connected to Echo Plus, continue. I want it on this Wi-Fi, and now connected to Wi-Fi. That's good. I don't need to hook anything up for this. We're going to skip, and it makes you watch this video, but what you can do is just go ahead and just drag it all the way across and act like you watched the video, and then you can exit out and hit next. So I am going to connect it to my smart devices, and I will be back and we can test some of that out. So for the smart home thing, I went ahead and bought another light bulb, and I'm just going to go ahead and open this now. So there is the light bulb. Very simple packaging, just get it out of the cardboard here, and then I'm going to put it in my light, and we are going to set that up with Alexa. So I went ahead and screwed the light bulb into this lamp right here, and then I'm just going to put the shade back on, and we're going to turn on the lamp. So there's that light, and now Alexa, discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take 45 seconds. To connect your lights or plugs, just turn them on now. For locks and other products, refer to the manufacturer's instructions to put them in pairing mode.
So my light just blinked twice.
I found 2 new devices. Try saying, turn off first light.
Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
And she turned it off. So that worked really easy. I didn't even have to get on my phone. It just did it right there. She did everything for me. Very simple. I am going to go ahead and connect the rest of my lights in my house, and we will come back to this. So after quite some time, I finally have all of my smart devices connected to my Echo Plus here. So with a word, like I can do any of these. I can say any of these and she will turn them on or off. So if I say, Alexa, turn off office light.
Okay.
And she turns it off. And of course I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit because she is very loud. So now I can say, Alexa, turn on office light.
Okay.
She turns it back on. So it's very simple, very easy. As you can see, I no longer have my Hue Bridge back here because now this is my Hue Bridge. So it's all built in, all in one, connects to my phone easily. So when I twist this dial, right now I have it connected with Bluetooth. It is also changing the volume of my phone. Pretty cool, I think. So yeah, thank you for watching, I guess. Be sure to tune in for my next video. I am going to be comparing the Echo Plus to the Echo Dot.